How to withdraw from blockchain.com account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Visnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can withdraw from blockchain.com account. Now, in order to withdraw from blockchain.com account, you'll have to first simply log into your exchange account. Now, in my case, I'm unable to show you here on the application itself due to the security reasons. I'm unable to screen record, but I'll show you on the web as well on my phone. Here you want to head into blockchain.web if you want to do it on browser as well if you don't have the app. Now here what you want to do is you want to tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. You want to head into the trade option. So under trade you'll get the option to buy, sell, swap, deposit and withdraw. Now if you're on the application itself, then you'll get the withdraw option right there on the trade tab as well, or you can get it right on your home screen. Now you can see withdraw tab there. You want to tap on withdraw, and here now first, I haven't upgraded my account. You'll need to verify your account. Now, in my case here, you can see you'll have to link your bank account, then select the amount that you wish to withdraw, and then go ahead and go through the withdrawal process. So this is the way that you can withdraw from blockchain.com. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.